Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up a subscription box business with CreateJoy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply log in into your CreateJoy account. Once you have logged in into your CreateJoy, you can simply create your product. You can simply sign in into your CreateJoy using any of the Google accounts or any of your existing accounts. After you select and navigate to your product section, you can add a subscription production. So once you simply use your add a subscription product, you can enter the name and compelling description of your box, which will be visible to the customer. You can then define the subscription setting as well. You can simply bill frequency, shipping and renewal, and add prepaid options, and you can also add variants. After this, you can design your website. Like, you can use CreateJoy's tools to customize your website theme to reflect your brand. After this, you can set up payments and shipping and launch your store. So this is how you can set up a subscription box business with CreateJoy. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.